Hey y'all, Bubba the Redneck here. You need to change the passcode on your iPhone? That's a piece of cake. I can show you how to do it. Come on. First, open settings and scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode and select it. Then it'll ask you for your current passcode. Now scroll down and choose Change Passcode. Then it'll ask for your old passcode again. Now it's time to enter your new passcode. And if you'd like to change the length of your passcode or make it an alphanumeric, then choose passcode options. But for this example, I'm going to stick with a 6-digit numeric passcode. Now it wants you to verify your new passcode by entering it again. And lickety split, we're done. Passcode has been changed. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope I taught you something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come on back and watch some more of my helpful iPhone videos. See ya.